The Oura Ring 4 is a discrete, wearable health tracker that offers comprehensive monitoring of various health metrics, including sleep patterns, activity levels, and readiness scores. Its sleek design and advanced sensor technology make it a popular choice among individuals seeking detailed health insights without the bulk of traditional fitness trackers. Design and comfort. The Oura Ring 4 features a minimalist design, available in multiple finishes to suit different styles. Its lightweight and compact form factor ensure comfort during daily wear and sleep, making it less intrusive than wrist-worn devices. The ring is also water-resistant, allowing for continuous wear during various activities. Battery life and charging. The Oura Ring 4 boasts a battery life of up to 7 days on a single charge, depending on usage patterns. It comes with a wireless charging dock, and a full charge typically takes about 80 minutes. Sensor technology and features. Equipped with advanced sensors, the Oura Ring 4 monitors a range of health metrics. Sleep tracking. It provides detailed analysis of sleep stages, duration, and quality, offering insights to improve sleep habits. Activity monitoring. The ring tracks daily movement, steps, and calorie expenditure, encouraging users to meet personalized activity goals. Overall, the Oura Ring 4 stands out as a sophisticated health tracking device, ideal for individuals seeking in-depth health insights in a non-intrusive form factor. Thank you.